Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. I just wish you all will be doing good and must be having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to bring those projects to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I am here with another great project. They will be having a stealth launch on 9th November between 19 to 20 UTC. They're also having a small pre-sale on Pink Sale that will start by 15 UTC. So let's move to our side. Let's know more about the project. But before we proceed, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Alright, so this is our project for today. It's MetaGrow token. We will be talking about MetaGrow token. MetaGrow is a platform that will be launching Clash of Clan type game really soon. Game is still in development phase, but soon they will launch the game. And they will also launch staking platform for the user, so user will be able to stake their tokens and get rewards about their team, etc. Then and so here you can see that the reward token that will always grow your investment. Simply hold MetaGrow and watch each transaction multiply your passive income in your wallet automatically. Then auto LP staking feature steadily increases the price flow. MetaGrow is the place to be if you want to pump your investment and find your next 1000x coin. Hold tight and earn 6% Metic rewards. Then you can know more details about the team. Our team is ready to take MetaGrow to Mars. Our team is ready to take MetaGrow to Mars. MetaGrow team consists of 4 core team members that each have a wide variety of skills and deep knowledge in the crypto space. Then you have details about safety as well, so you can go through their light paper. And now we have link to buy on PancakeSwap, PooCoin chart as well. All that links that will be available after they will have a launch. So then you will be able to buy from PancakeSwap. You will have BSC scan link, etc. Then you have their social channel links. You can follow them on social channels. So you will get all the information of the project on time about their launching or anything happening in the project. As I already said, that game and staking platform is still in development. So as soon as they will launch, you will be able to get all the information about that as well. So it's better to join them on their Telegram community and other social channels. So you will have all the informations and updates on time. So here we have Twitter page of MetaGrow. You can follow them on Twitter, and from here you can also get the link of Telegram community. You can join the Telegram group. So if you have any query, you can ask them there, and you have a chance to know more about the team and members there as well. So it's better to join the Telegram community, and also you can find the recent tweet that is about their stealth launch November 9 between 19 to 20 UTC. Alright, so here you can get more detailed information about the project. MetaGrow works on an autonomous liquidity generation protocol. Hold Meta tokens to earn passive income every hour at Matic. A coin that pays you passive income every hour grows your Matic bag by simply holding Meta. Then if you're thinking that why you should choose MetaGrow, so MetaGrow is a deflationary token. The longer you hold, the bigger the passive income you will gain. Meta holders will earn 6% rewards from every buy or sell transaction in Binance backed Matic, which is automatically sent to your wallet. Funded by a strategic buyback, 2% tokens are collected from every transaction, converted to BNB and stored in our marketing contract. And now we have the features that we will get in MetaGrow token gaming, NFT and staking platform soon. Then we have roadmap. So now let's discuss the roadmap of MetaGrow to know when the exact things are planned to be done. So now quarter 4, private sale, then launch website, listing on CoinMooner, CoinSnapper ads, add custom stickers, CG listing, CMC listing, smart contract audit, then influencer marketing, trending on Dextool, NFT launch, MetaGrow DeFi game launch. And then by quarter 1, mobile app launch, iOS and Android, then huge promotions and influencers push, listing on first major CX exchange, developing a reward calculator, Ethereum bridge, reward dashboard, and building a staking platform. And now we have tokenomics details here. 15% is sell, 15% is buy sell text, so from which 6% will be for rewards, holder rewards, 3% for marketing, 3% for liquidity, 2% for development and 1% for buyback. So the total supply we have is 1 trillion, from which 10% for marketing, 5% for private sale, 20% for liquidity, 10% for rewards and price, and 10% burn token locked. Then we have some frequently asked questions. So if you have anything in your mind about the project, so you can go through these questions and you will definitely get your answers. Like, what is Max Buy at launch? Max Buy at launch is 1% of the total supply. Then what is Max Sell? Max Sell at launch is 1% of the total supply. Alright, so this was our project for today, MetaGrow. As I already said that they will be launching a game, Clash of Clan type game, and staking platform as well. And they will have a stealth launch today, 9th November, between 19 to 20 UTC. So you can join them. It's better to join the Telegram community and you will get more updates from there. And I recommend you to check out the project by yourself. You will get the website link in my description. I recommend you to check out the project by yourself. You will definitely gonna love this project. I hope you enjoyed the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.